In early December, the first COVID-19 vaccines were given to those on the front lines, and now hundreds of thousands of Hoosiers are fully vaccinated. We turned to social media and asked you how you feel the vaccine rollout is going in our state. Barb says it went very smooth. Others question eligibility. WRTV reporter Nikki Dementri looks at the rollout with an expert and breaks down what may be next.
Nearly 3 months to the day.
Can you see me smiling?
The first healthcare heroes in Indianapolis were vaccinated against COVID-19.
It's the first day I feel like I've came into work where we might start to win this battle.
Now, the state says more than 2.4 million doses went into Hoosier arms, with almost 1 million fully vaccinated.
As we sit here on Tuesday, March 23rd, where would you say the state of Indiana is with the vaccine rollout?
I think we're definitely heading in the right direction. I know the state has really accelerated the age groups that are now becoming eligible to get the vaccine. And that is all predicated on the fact that we're getting more vaccine in the state.
Epidemiologist Thomas Dzinski says most of what comes next is fixed on the number of vaccines the state gets.
Indiana appears to be receiving thousands of doses per 100,000 residents, less than some other states, according to information that we monitor on the CDC website.
That coming from the state last week. Dzinski says the state needs to continue vaccinating at the current rate or increase it as more vaccines become available. He says it's now a foot race between another wave and getting shots in arms.
The other thing I think we're in a foot race for is watching what's going on in different parts of the world. We're starting to see plateaus in terms of case numbers as opposed to still going down. We're starting to see plateaus, and in some European countries, cases beginning to rise again. That's definitely not a good sign.
In the city of Indianapolis, officials say not even 3% of the Latino community are vaccinated against the coronavirus.
We do see that our community has a lot of fear with regard to taking the vaccine. There's a lot of misinformation online.
Mariana Lopez Owens with the nonprofit La Plaza says barriers like language, technology, and fear of personal information being shared contribute to the issue. That's why organizations like hers are working with the state and county health departments to extend outreach.
Ideally, we'd like to see that 2.8% number go up. Hopefully, all Latino Hoosiers can get their vaccines.
This Saturday from 8 to 8, 100 or so volunteers, including physicians and med students, will be on hand to answer calls during a Spanish-speaking hotline registration event. Hoosiers are also able to call these two numbers to ask questions. Working for you, Nikki Dementri, WRTV.